Hi guys, it's your bitch girl Joanna Jadelia, and today I'm back with another video. Now today I'll be showing you guys how to shave your eyebrows. Yep, how to shave and shave your eyebrows. Okay, so let's get going. So what you're going to need is a cotton pad and your face cleanser because you're going to need your face as clean as possible. So wash your face and also your cleanser. Then you're going to need your spoolie or your eyebrow brush or comb just to straighten out those hairs. Then you're also going to need your eyebrow liner. This is going to help to just shape up your eyebrows also. And I'm going to be using some cotton swabs. Show you guys what they look like. So that's the cotton swabs I'm going to be using. It's pretty cheap, so you can find these anywhere really. And I'm going to be using shaving cream. Now this is shaving cream for the beard, but that's okay. And yeah, so as I said, we're going to need our face as clean as possible, so that's what I went ahead and do. Now you're going to take your spoolie, I prefer a spoolie, and you're just going to brush your eyebrows up, brush your hairs in the way that they're growing out of your face, and just brush them all in one direction. See, so here is the hair that I have to get rid of at the bottom that I was showing you there, and I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Now I go ahead and take my eyebrow pencil and I'm just going to outline the shape that I am looking for. It's okay if it's a wide outline. You just want to get the gist of the outline. This helps you to really outline the hairs that you want to get rid of. So there, the hairs underneath that line will be coming off. So yeah, these are my eyebrows. Okay, now here comes the shaving. So I'm going to get my shaving cream. I'm going to put a little bit on the edge of my cotton swab. Okay, so I'm going to be using the beard shaving cream on my eyebrows. I think it is safe to use there since beard is a part of the face and it's all face. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the instruction for you guys, and yeah. So it says apply a thick layer of the cream on one side of the face after the other to completely cover the beard area. In this case, we're talking about the eyebrows. Set timer for 4 minutes. We're gonna wait for 4 minutes. If cream dries, re-moisten by patting with wet fingertips. Okay. After 4 minutes, that's a small error. If hair does not wipe off easily, leave on a few minutes longer, but do not exceed 7 minutes. Okay, then it says gently remove with a damp washcloth, starting with the side of the face you apply the cream first. So it will be this side since I'm starting on my right side. Rinse face thoroughly. Do not wash with soap. If any beard remains, wait 24 hours before next magic shave application. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the shaving cream underneath the line that we drew. Yeah, remember it has to be a thick layer, so we're going to come out with just setting it down first. If you want, you could just dab it on so you get back thick more. Just go in circular motions. Now I'm not bothered if I go on the black line that we drew with our liner, because that's okay. Okay, so after I'm finished here, I'm just going to let it stay on for 4 minutes. Just let it stay on for 4 minutes. I'm going to test a small air to see if I'm ready, and if not, I'm going to let it stay on a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to take my cotton pad, which is damp, remember, so you're going to wet it. And I'm just going to wipe away all of that shaving cream that we placed around our eyebrows. You could also use a cotton swab to wipe away, just so you get a more precise look, clean. As you can see there, we have some hair, so it's definitely ready to come off. So you see here, I'm using now the cotton swab to help me really clean up around my eyebrows. Okay, so that's basically it. You see the hair that was there is no longer there, and I'm satisfied with this actually. So yeah, and I'm just gonna move on to my next one and be right back. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I really hope you try this method. I really find it was easy and simple, and yeah. So don't forget to like and comment down below for more content. Bye, guys.